Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you a DIY beauty hack on how to make a simple and effective yogurt face mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Ingredients: 1. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. 2. 1 teaspoon of honey. 3. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together the yogurt, honey, and lemon juice until well combined. 2. Using clean hands or a brush, apply the mixture onto your face, making sure to avoid the eye area. 3. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse your face with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Benefits of this mask: 1. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which helps exfoliate and brighten the skin. 2. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated. 3. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C, which can help brighten the skin and even out skin tone. This mask is perfect for those with dry or dull skin. It can be used once a week for best results. You can also customize the mask by adding in other ingredients, such as mashed avocado or ground oatmeal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY beauty hacks. Let us know in the comments if you tried this mask and how it worked for you.